In a dusty arcade basement, a forgotten codekeeper tends a flickering lantern that guards an obsolete engine's memories. When power flickers, she travels through saved games, collecting lost emblems that map the original creator's intentions. Her mission reveals why certain rooms in classic games were abandoned and how small fixes saved entire fan communities. Each emblem unlocks a corner of the engine, sparking new colors on a screen once thought dead. By dawn, she resets the console's pulse, reminding players that every forgotten line of code deserves a second chance.